my name is Alyssa, and today I'll be sharing with you how I organize my refrigerator. Now, I've thought about filming this for such a very long time, and I've actually filmed a few videos in the past, but I've never mustered up the courage to upload anything. So here I am today, all excited to share with you guys 5 tips that I'm going to be using to help get my refrigerator in the best shape that it can possibly be in. Now, I have a Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator, and actually what sold me on that refrigerator was the shelving. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of these storage containers that I'll be using, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some of my favorite products that I use as well that I've come to love over the years. So if you guys want to see more of this video, keep watching, and if you want to join my family, you can hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you'll see more videos from me in the future. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So the first thing you'll need to do is to remove all of your food items along with your shelves and drawers to really give your refrigerator a deep clean. If you have any cold items, you can store that in a cooler. Next, you want to go ahead and wash your shelves and drawers in some warm soapy water, and I like using Dawn because it helps me get the job done in a short amount of time. My refrigerator came with a lot of shelves, also a lot of cubbies and drawers, so I really try to get this process done as quickly as I can. So now I'm just laying out my bins to dry, but I'm going to wipe them down with a microfiber cloth to avoid any streaks after the drying process. So guys, I don't know about you, but stuff like this excites me, and as I get older, I'm more disciplined about, being organized and just having, a breathable space. So if you're enjoying the video thus far, hit that like button and feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're enjoying so far, or if you have any tips that you want to share with me, I'll really appreciate it. So these are the bins that I'll be using today, as well as everything that I'm going to be adding to my refrigerator. Now, the bins that you see at the back, I got them at Mood Alive, and the flask I got at the home store. The glass bowls were from Excellent Stores, and the ice tray I got that from Mood Alive, and it actually came with a cover, so if you wanted to stack it in the freezer, you have the option of doing that. For this portion of the video, I'll be adding my shelves, cubbies, drawers back to the refrigerator, and I absolutely love starting from a blank canvas. I'm just adding the shelves to the freezer part of my refrigerator. And I'll also be doing the same thing to the fridge side in a short while. So what I actually did was I took a photo of my refrigerator and then I used an app on my phone to categorize each shelf or each cubby in the door. So that way I knew exactly what would be going where and the type of container that I'll be using to achieve that task. So for those of you who are contemplating if to do a refrigerator organization at your home, that is something you can take into consideration as well, so that when you start, you're not, confused as to what next, what's your next move. You already have everything laid out in your mind or on paper so that, you can follow it through. As you can see, I found a home for all of my storage containers, whether it's liquids or solids, and I'm absolutely pleased with the way everything turned out. The ice maker is also another cool feature that I absolutely love about this refrigerator. In this section, I can store as much ice as I want, and there's a lever on the side that allows me to release it when it's time to refill. So now it's time for the fun part where you get to add all of your items to your various storage containers to achieve the final look. I'll be adding fish and chicken to those two empty shelves. I've laid out all the items that I'll be adding to my refrigerator on my countertop. been using this milk for 4 days now, and I must say I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for an alternative to almond milk, you can try the oat milk, especially this brand. It's really good. If I've motivated you in any way to tackle a project in your home that you've been putting off for a long time, drop a heart below in the comments and let me know which project you're going to work on. If you're getting value this far, smash that like button and let me know which part of the video you enjoyed the most. crisper drawer, I'm just adding some sharon belly, also known as cilantro, which is a staple green seasoning in the Caribbean. I'll also be adding chive, celery, and Spanish thyme to the crisper drawer as well. Now it's time for the big reveal. I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. Everything has a home and a space, and I'm really proud of myself for getting this task done. One of my bins is empty and I'm reserving that for papaya. It's green at the moment, so when it's ripe, I'm going to cut it and put it into that container. Now I also had some mixed fruits as well as some currants. I popped that into a little bag, and I also have some marshmallow cherries as well from baking earlier on in the week. Still need to get some fish and chicken breast, and that will go on the empty shelf that you see. Things can get disorganized rather quickly if you don't have a routine or system in place. So what I do is basically clean up spills as they occur, and I try to put things back in their original place, which saves me a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Until next time, bye!